Hi, I'm Colette Robicheau, professional organizer, and I'm here today to show you how you can maximize your closet space. I want to show you this great bar from Neat Freak that allows you to double the space in your closet, double how much space you can hang in your closet. Let me show you how easy that really is. We simply put the bar here and here, and now we have twice the space in our closet. So you can easily hang more items than you could before and use a lot of that space that before was just sitting there. So this is a fabulous way to get more of our things in our closet. We also have these great hanging shelves. What I like about these are the bins that we have are cutaways, so you can see what's in them, but also on the other side, they're closed in for privacy as well if you want some things that you don't want to be seen. Both this organizing shelf and the one we have here that has shoes have a mesh section in the top that we can have belts and bags and small purses and all kinds of accessory. And the beauty of this is that this system is totally modular. We can use any or all pieces. When our lifestyle changes, we can take a piece out. We may take it from our closet and put it in our kids' room. We can take it with us. Everyone knows the high cost of built-ins today. So with this modular system from Neat Freak, it's just a wonderful piece to have in our closet. You can find these and other closet organizing solutions at neatfreak.com.